candy taste test. Look at Callie's got. Big old Jawbreaker. She gave me this one.
You should go get Camille.
Guys, there's a string on this, and I just ate one and I accidentally swallowed the string.
It's fun.
It's probably edible because I put it inside food. Alright, y'all. Callie, get in here. This is the small Jawbreaker. This is the other one. Medium.
And large.
Alright, y'all. Go. Sour. Now I'm gonna try a wax bottle. I've had these before. I love them.
Have you ever seen a candy crisp?
Yeah, Marco.
Gummy ring. Peach ring.
Who wants a peach ring? This is the sourest one of the three. Over here we got Callie trying to open something up. And we got a green sour shred.
I love this.
The grape flavor. Look, there's juice inside. Oh, was it good, Callie?
Green sour sugar.
Which is it? Just look it up. So just
Come
look it up. Is it good? Sour? I don't want it.
This is a gumball.
Drink.
With that.
No, not
I got my mints. What these are? These are soft mints. They're so good. And plus, it's a tiny Jawbreaker. I'm gonna eat it.
Your lollipop is safe. Just throw it. And throw this. On the road. We'll smash it on the road.
Twice, man.